Not that I do weekly videos, but I was wondering what to do as a video this week. And the scooter has gone and provided me some content. Just a few mile ride from home. You get a flat tyre. Now, a good thing with the Vespa is you got a spare wheel. So today's content is going to be changing a wheel at the side of the road. Now it went just around the corner there. Bring it to a stop. Luckily there's a gateway to pull straight into, nothing behind me. And then I thought, you know what, I'm going to push it round the corner, down this side road where there's not traffic going past, and I found a bit of shade to park it in as well. There's the easy bit, the spare wheel off. Now, in order to take the back wheel off, you've got to prop the back end up. So actually at the end of the road, I saw some bricks in that pile of rubble. So let's go and find some bricks.
I thought, you know what, I'll just go for a couple of miles around the block. And chill, because I've got a super early start tomorrow.
Boom, just the ticket. Ta-da! I really need to get myself one of those little slot-in things that you lift it up, because there's not always going to be a pile of bricks. Wheel off. Stick the spare on, I guess. Spare's on. I'll have to look at the timestamp from when I started this to see how long it took, but it's not many minutes. And bolt this back on, side panel back on, put my tools away, put the bricks back where I found them, and on my way. Bricks back. Let's get back on the road. There we have it. Back home, spare tyre held up, took it nice and steady because it's quite an old tyre, and I was only about 1.5 miles from home anyway. Quick takeaway from that, I'm going to build myself a prop, whether it's just a lump of wood or whether make a nice one out of metal. And then it's, do I stick with split rims and tubed, or do I look at going tubeless? Has anyone got any thoughts or want to share any comments? What you run on your Vespa or Lambretta for that matter, because they're pretty much identical. 10-inch steel rims, use the same tyres, the same tubes almost. And you can get solid one-piece aluminium versions for tubeless for both Vespas and Lambrettas. So what's your thoughts? What have you got on your scooter? What's your experiences of punctures and breakdowns at the side of the road? I've looked back on the timestamps, and from putting the bike on its stand to firing it up and being able to ride home again, took me 25 minutes to swap the wheel. That was including filming and walking down the road to get them bricks. So all in all, it's an adventure. Just about to hit save on the video, and I remembered the time I had a puncture on the Honda CG125 in the middle of Derbyshire. I had this great idea, why not get the bus, get the train to get home, pick the car up and some tools, then strip the bike down and put it in the boot of the car to get it home, because I didn't have a spare tube. I didn't want to leave it stuck at the side of the road.